This happened yesterday, July 12, during the Sari Sari signing event at the Hideaway headquarters. As per Boss Migs, people already lined up as early as 9:30 a.m. even before the store opened. So grabe talaga. And thank you to everyone who took their time to meet the artists and have their cards, uncut sheets, and shirts signed. And most especially to the artists who showed up and came. Egg Fiasco, Milo San Luis, Rice Terror, Toy Me, Sean of 8FF Studio, Distort Monster, Don D. Fernandez, Steffi, Check This, Shido, Cookie B, Haraya Creations, Coke Silva, Naburok, Lesu, Manky Boy, Reen Barrera, Christian Veloira, James Rai, Gino Roberto, Wuji Toys, Faust Amparo, Clarice, Crayon Chicken, Lucky Mata, Mancha, Clary, Yok Joaquin, Vincent Trinidad, Boss Quicks, and especially Tuungga na nanggaling pa sa Sweden at naglaan ng isang araw para sa pangyayaring ito, di ba? Straight Tagalog tayo. And congratulations to EJ for completing, I think, the first one to complete all 55 signatures from the artist. No? So, the dedication nakakatuwa. And the other half of the day, which is day 2 of MoCAF. Kasama natin yung masisipag na sila Michelle and Jules. Maraming salamat sa inyo. And thank you to everyone who dropped by our booth. And we're looking forward to seeing more of you today. The last day of MoCAF. We really like this year's exhibit. Marami kayong makikita na artworks from familiar artists as well as works from artists that you will be familiar with in the future. At excited na kami i-share sa inyo yun. Share ko lang din that we were able to talk to some of the artists and art galleries, including the ones we really admire when it comes to innovating and creating new concepts. I hope it continues and we hope to see more of it in the future. And hopefully we will be able to contribute to the art community in our own little way in the future, no? Ayun lang, we'll be heading out to the last day of MoCAF. Once again, we're located at the Artisans area, yung tent area, booth 21. So, see you around!